Hey, what's up, Blitzers? I've got some new exciting updates to announce. These updates will be available once you open the app. You'll have the pop-up to install them with one click. Update number one is now subtasks are available within the floating timer. So you can see I've got my live timer on in Blitz mode. I can now expand the subtasks. I've got a subtask preview over here. I can add new subtasks. I can reorder subtasks. I can delete subtasks as you would be able to normally. Previously, you would only be able to access subtasks from a pause state, and now it's always visible within your floating timer. The only limitation is that if a task doesn't already have a subtask in it, you won't be able to add new subtasks from within the floating timer or any live timer, even within the panel state. It has to be in a non-live state like this one, as you can see, to access the subtask add option over here, right? Secondly, we do have a really exciting update. Drum roll, we now have settings, first of all, that's not the big feature, but we have our settings within the nav bar accessible. Previously, the settings would be within the expanded options menu, but we brought it out here just to quickly access them and tweak preferences as you would need them. But more importantly, we have theme settings available in Blitzit now, which means, yes, you have light mode. Light mode is finally available on Blitzit. So this allows you to switch between a dark mode only or a light mode only theme, but you can also switch it to based on system. Those are the two main updates. There's a list of other items that we fixed and improved, which you can go ahead and check out in our changelog. The changelog, again, will be available once you sign into the app. You'll see the pop-up with the changelog broken down there, but you can also find the changelog. Head over to our help center, and there's a link to our changelog within the help center on the right-hand side navbar. The latest changelog is Friday, November 1st, 2024, and these are the main updates. We also have, importantly, we do have the Windows security update because we finally secured our SSL certification, which means that we don't have that warning screen when you try to install Blitzit on Windows. So we are officially Windows approved. So that's it for October's updates. Hope you guys are excited about these new additions, and we've got more features in the pipeline, so do stay tuned and keep supporting us within the community, giving us your feedback within Discord and Frill. This always helps us make better decisions when it comes to improving Blitzit. I'll see you guys in a future video.